Hello. Okay.
Porsche unterwegs.
Brakes are amazing.
Yeah.
It's the brakes that's the brakes that are amazing.
It is really.
I mean, you know,
the stability of the car, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah.
so bumpy. It's so
yeah.
many sand on. It is.
Yeah, the power is okay, but the brakes,
okay.
the brakes.
The power is even missing. We are too high. We are 1,800 meters high. That means we miss for sure 50-60 horse brakes.
Okay. Yeah.
It's 160 by brake. Ooh.
Wow, yeah.
It is unbelievable.
Hey, the limits of the car are so high. You just never find.
A normal person, he never will reach the limit.
Yeah,
you know?
Because
it's so high. Okay, maybe he makes a mistake.
Yeah.
But that is good thing. Even he makes a mistake, the car is still in a good handling position.
I would never have guessed the car could take that kind of amazing. Brilliant, amazing. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah.